Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson, false cognates, English and Portuguese.
False cognates, also called false friends, are words normally derived from Latin, which therefore have the same origin, and which appear in different languages, with similar spelling, but over time they ended up acquiring different meanings.
Let's see some examples. Actually,
Na verdade, o fato é que.
I thought the store was closed, but actually, it's still open. Assist.
Ajudar alguém.
The nurse will assist the doctor during the surgery. Application.
Pedido. Candidatura.
She submitted her application for the job online. Collar.
Colar. Gola. Coleira.
He put a collar on his dog before taking it for a walk. Data.
Dados.
The data from the experiment will be analyzed to draw conclusions. Realize.
Tomar consciência. Ou compreender.
I didn't realize how late it was until I looked at the clock. Parents.
Pais.
Her parents are coming to visit us next week. Fabric.
Tecido.
She bought some beautiful fabric to make curtains for her new apartment. Prejudice.
Preconceito.
The company's hiring policy showed prejudice against candidate over the age of 50. Pretend.
Fingir.
He pretended to be a rich man, but he is not. Intend.
Pretender. Ter intenção.
I didn't intend to cause any problem. Sorry.
Pull.
Puxar.
Pull the door to open. Push.
Empurrar.
He used both hands to push the heavy box.
Pasta. Massa. Alimento.
She cooked a delicious pasta dish with tomato sauce.
What about subscribing the channel?